Hello everyone, my name is Arun Kumar Rajivirre and I am here to talk about business ethics considering cloud computing. Today I am going to focus on the topic power consumption and carbon footprints. And the question I'd like to answer is how important is this issue to society and why? And I'm going to talk about potential result of ignoring the issue and who should actually take the lead to solve the issue, whether the government or business organizations. Before going in depth of the topic, let's talk about what cloud computing is. So basically, what is cloud computing? Cloud is a storage where people can access it virtually, but in terms, it is a complex system of data centers which can store, process, and retrieve and can deliver information for video on demand on internet. Whereas this is both real and virtual. This is real and virtual. Why do we call it real? We can't feel it or see it. We can just take information from it. It is real because it requires a lot of traditional inputs such as electricity. So before going, how could this thing affect the power consumption and the carbon footprint? This is the main question here. So how does it affect? Nearly 15% of the world's electricity is going to data centers. Moreover, it is estimated that by 2030, 40% of the world electricity will go only to the data centers, and this is not a decreasing factor, it is an increasing factor. Even though the economy of the whole thing is falling down, the power consumption is rising up and the carbon footprint has a lot of impacts. A carbon footprint is generally defined as the total set of greenhouse gas emissions caused by either an individual, an event, an organization, or product. The data center locations are very important because most of the people don't know where they are keeping the data centers. This is because data centers contain a lot of information of the customer. If the data center is vulnerable, then people can hack it or do things through which they can retrieve a lot of information. So green carbon footprint is something which is based on the location. Coming to the potential result of ignoring this issue, would lead to global warming as well as greenhouse effect. So now the question is, who should take the lead to solve the issue? Whether the business or whether the business organizations or the government. Business people, I feel the business organizations should take certain measures and more sophisticated ways to save energy. I wish to conclude by saying, if all business organizations take a step and encourage these sort of innovative ways, we can conserve energy. I also think business organizations need to follow the rules which are created by the government.